All toy restorations will be handled by the YouTubers controlling each channel. Reproduction parts may not be used where there are Star Wars forums. Toy restorers and collectors are available. Analog Toys, Retro Blasting, Toy Galaxy, Geek Force, Zarnista Studios, and toy-polloi. Toy-polloi has been assigned.
Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today is going to be a quick unboxing video. I've just received this package all the way from Canada from a long-time subscriber of the channel, Grant Welsh. Now, he sent me stuff before and we've done a few trades I think over the years, and he got in touch with me recently saying did I want another G.I.Joe project, and I know people on who've been watching this channel have enjoyed a lot of the G.I.Joe fixes I've done, so of course I said yes, and that is what is in this box. It's not something I have in my collection, it's not something I've ever fixed up before, so let's open the box and we'll see what it is, and we'll see if it can be fixed in a future project. So here we go. I can see lots of bubbles and there is a note. Let me just take that to one side and I will give it a read. It says, "Dear toy-polloi, here are a few bits and pieces plus the G.I. Joe blank." I'm not going to tell you what it is, because so it's just a bit of a surprise for you to give your almighty toy fixing might a good workout. Most of the parts are there for and to drive it around. I know many collectors will have seen their own break as this one has done, so it's obviously a common thing that needs fixing. I've also included some other G.I. Joe bits that need a few fixes. Look forward to seeing your solutions. Sincerely, Grant, aka Welshie Sensei on Instagram, which is how I always chat with him. So yeah, let's have a look in here. So we have, this is a Night Viper with a broken knee. That's what he said there, and there's also a few pieces spares there for Deep Six, which is a figure I have, but the knee, I reckon that can be fixed. I have quite a good idea of how that can be sort of fixed up. It's something I've worked on previously for other figures, and I think the same process can be used. So there we go, there's Night Viper. Looks in pretty good condition, but yeah, poor chap, someone snapped his knee off. So yeah, I think that will be an easy thing to fix up. Then we move on to, well, here are some bits that will give you a clue as to what the main toy is in here. You can see it is G.I. Joe. The eagle-eyed among you will know immediately what this is. I'm going to open it up so you can see some missiles and that. There's some yellow missiles and some white pieces. What vehicle do you think it is? Let's pull this out and I will show you. Ooh, there's another figure there. A few other figures. So here we go. This is what is the most sort of commonly broken thing. It is the Snowcat, and yeah, a lot of people have said to me that this is a toy that's always broken. This one is really filthy. I can't believe quite how filthy it is. But yeah, Grant always said to me that the little windscreen wiper's always broken on the front. There's some chaps in there. We've got Frostbite in there, and is that Stalker? I think is what it says in the letter that he's written there. So we've got Frostbite and Stalker. Just pretty good looking figures there, a little bit yellow, but they look pretty good. There's some more missiles. I think I have quite a few parts for this actually in my spares box. So here we have the main part of Snowcat, very filthy, and I'm sure there's bits broken. You can see there's bits missing on here. But yeah, I think we can possibly do something with that. Looks an interesting project. There are a few more pieces in the box, so let's get those out. Just take those to one side. Check that's all that's in there. So what were these other pieces? Well, that is Riker from Star Trek Next Generation, and there is also Picard from Star Trek The Next Generation. Do you know, I don't actually have these figures. I think they're made by Galoob or something like that. But I've never actually had these in my collection. I do like Star Trek. I just have the other ones. Let's see who that is made by. It doesn't actually say. Maybe these aren't Galoob. I'm just trying to remember. Yeah, I think maybe they are. I don't know. I'll have to do a bit of research on that. But they're nice figures, pretty worn, but not something I've ever had in my collection. So those will go on display with my other Star Trek figures. And then there is a She-Ra, Princess of Power. This is not a toy I've had in many, many years. A long time since I've had one of those. Looks a bit yellowed, but her hair's still in pretty good condition. And then we have one other G.I. Joe figure. And immediately I'm going to have to ask people what the name of this one is, but he looks in relatively good condition. He's got a bit of a weak elbow joint there, as they all have, but overall he looks very nice. So yeah, thanks for all this stuff, Grant. Let's rearrange my desk and I'll show you them all as they are. So here are all the bits that were in that box. As you can see, it's quite a nice mixed selection, but the main thing in there is the Snowcat. And I was just having to think, I thought I'd remembered that I got some bits for a Snowcat up in my loft, and I've just sort of had a quick rummage up there and I found this bag, and as you can see, it is the remains, or at least the top part of a Snowcat, and it has pretty much the same broken parts that are on this one here. So the cockpit cover is broken, the little missile launcher bit is broken, but I think using parts from this and what we have here that Grant has sent in, I should be able to make something good. There's still a few little pieces missing. I don't have the steering wheel, I don't have the windscreen wipers, so I'm going to have a hunt around for those, but it is going to be a fun project and I will stick that one on the list. So I do have to say a massive thank you to Grant for very kindly sending all of this stuff over. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.